SafeNet Alarms Limited is a family-run business with over 20 years of experience in the industry. We supply and install a wide range of home security systems on properties in Sheffield and across South Yorkshire. Whether you need a new alarm system or want to replace an old one, we can help you with your requirements. Our team of trained professionals are on hand to help you choose the right security system for your premises. Our servicing and repair team are always on hand to undertake regular maintenance, or if you suspect that your alarm may be faulty, we even offer a 24-hour call-out service so that we can have you safe and sound in your property at any time of the day or night. All the wide range of systems and safety equipment we supply is recommended by us as we trust in its operation and life expectancy. So, whether you choose a traditional hardwired system or a state-of-the-art hybrid system that allows live monitoring, playback, and the ability to arm and disarm your system remotely, you can be sure that SafeNet Alarms will provide you with an alarm system that you can trust in. For more details on our services, talk to our team today.